If you are learning data analysis or working as a data analyst, these 5 mistakes can slow down your career and also stop you from getting hired and also even make you to lose your credibility at your work. Trying to learn everything at once. I see most of the beginners are making this mistake. They are learning kind of everything: SQL, Excel, Power BI, Tableau, Python, R, and even machine learning at once. The problem is they end up with knowing little bit of everything but mastering nothing. And guess what? Companies don't hire people who are just okay with everything. They need people who are good enough to solve real world problems with data. Here is how you can fix it. Focus on learning SQL, Power BI, or Tableau and Excel. These are the skills are most in demand now. Once you are comfortable with these skills, then add up Python for deep analysis or automation. Don't just learn tools, learn how to solve problems with these tools. Instead of watching 10 tutorials, pick up a dataset and go for a practice. Thinking data is just about numbers. Data is not just about numbers, charts, or dashboards. It's about helping business to make better decisions. If you don't understand why your analysis matters, you are just another data worker, not a valuable analyst. Here is how you can fix it. Before touching anything at first place, ask yourself what business problem I am trying to solve. When you are trying to present your insights, focus on how it helps to make the company grow. Learn business fundamentals. This will set you apart from 90% of data analyst. Example, if your dashboard shows the sales are down, don't just say the sales are down. Explain why and what can be done to fix it. Poor data storytelling. Here is a hard truth. Nobody cares about your dashboard if they don't understand it. Many analysts create a report full of numbers but forget to tell a story. Your job is to make a complex data easy to understand. So follow this storytelling approach. What's the problem? For example, the sales are down. What the data says? The sales fall 20% in last 3 months. What can we do? We can run ads in low sales area to boost sales. The pro tip is, if you can't explain your insights in one simple sentence, it may be too complicated. Watching tutorials but not doing real world projects. You have probably watched hundreds of tutorial videos, but how many real world projects have you done? Watching videos will not make you job ready. Employees don't look for how many courses you have completed. They need to see the proof of your skills. So how to fix it? Find real world data set in Kaggle, government sites or company case studies. Do a full analysis based on what the problem you are going to solve and publish your insights. Share your work on LinkedIn, GitHub or Kaggle. Instead of just learning SQL query, analyze a data set, find patterns and share your work on LinkedIn or any other social media. Not building your online presence. You might be the greatest data analyst in the world, but if nobody knows about your work, it doesn't matter. Many beginners don't create portfolio, don't post on LinkedIn, don't share their projects. Then they're wondering why recruiters aren't reaching out to me. So how to fix it? Create a LinkedIn and GitHub profile. Upload your projects, even a small one. Share everything what you learn every day. Instead of just saying, today I have learned SQL, post a short SQL tip that helped you to solve a problem. People will start to notice you.